All right, welcome back, everybody. Are you guys able to see my screen where we left off? IntelliJ? Yes, okay. All right, so now we have this list right here, right? So one last thing I just want to cover for today. We have this list. This list is, where's this list coming from? Remember, we have two lists we're working with, right? We have passenger list and flight list. Whose list is this? It's the passenger list. It's the passengers list, and this list actually belongs to Zach. System dot out dot print ln, and this actually belongs to Zach list. So this is a passengers list, but it belongs to Zach. If you run it, this is Zach's list. Now we also have a list in flight, right? And we can print that out by using the flight itself. So we can do system dot out dot print ln, and this would be Seattle to LA flight list. And we can print that out, system dot out dot print ln, and that would be Seattle to LA dot reservations. So now, how many flights would be on this list right here? Or how many reservations would be on this list? Why is it one? Because we have two reservations, right? Why would this be only be one? We only made one reservation for that specific flight. So we only made one reservation for this flight. So this list right here should only have one reservation. Oh, I think we canceled that. So once we canceled it, it just took it out of this list also. So let's not cancel it. All right. So now Zach list, the passenger Zach list, we have two reservations. The flight list only has one reservation. And now if you do the same thing for the other flight, which is LA to San Francisco, that would only have one reservation as well. And that would be the other reservation, the reservation ID 2. So if a new passenger comes in, so let's do passenger, and who messaged last Sage. Sage is a new passenger. We have passenger, and the name is Sage, and the passport number is like this, and we create a new passenger. They come in and they make the reservation, right? So this is reservation, Sage reservation equals to, we actually don't have to do any of this. So we can do name the Sage dot make reservation. Even though it's returning something, we don't actually have to catch it. And we can use Seattle to LA. And now this Seattle to LA flight would have two reservations. One belongs to Zach and one belongs to Sage. But the flight itself has two reservations. And now if you run it, Seattle to LA flight, it has two reservations. One is name is Sage and the other passenger's name is Zach. Does that make sense? The flight itself has reservations. The passengers itself, they have reservations, and they're completely. That's why we needed to add it to one of them and delete it from the other one. Add when we add it to one, need to add it to the other one too. When we delete it from one, the other one needs. And one flight reservation does not affect the other flight's reservation, and that one only has Zach on it.